Hello all, welcome back to AWS DevOps Lokesh Tech YouTube channel. In Jenkins series, we are talking about. So last class we have seen how we have to set up with upstream and downstream. So we have seen the differences. What is upstream and downstream? So just go to the previous class about upstream and downstream, how to set up and all. So today we are going to discuss about user management. Just give me one second. Forgot to enable this, guys. Is it visible? Is it visible? Today we are talking about user management. Okay, user management in Jenkins, right? So, user management is concept is similar in AWS and Jenkins also, and also in Linux as well. Anywhere, okay, wherever the environment, it doesn't matter, but the concept is the same. Okay, but environments are different, projects are different, situations are different. Okay, so why we have to create the users? Okay, so last class ending, while after finishing upstream and downstream, I've clearly explained about Jenkins user management. Okay, so there will be a departments for every project. For example, if it is a project, okay, this project admins will be there, correct? Admins will be there, developers will be there, testers will be there, right? So, and some normal others also will be there, correct? In any case, okay, so admin has full access. Okay, admin has full access, but admin cannot able to do all the jobs, right? Admin can give the access, correct? Developer, what developer will do is, developer will pull the code from the GitHub. Okay, he will write and he will do whatever the codes and builds, whatever builds are there. For example, if it is a Java project, for the Java project using Maven plugin, he build, for example, I'm telling one simple case. You might have, as a DevOps engineer, you might have built one Maven project, for example. In that case, he want to see a build might be failed, for example. He want to see build. At that time, just need to give the read access. Okay, which in the view, in views you can give the read access, right? So in this read access, you have to, first of all, you have to give the access, read access, correct? So that is the reason you can give the read access there. Admin access, for example, admin people, you can give full of admin access, correct? And testing fellows, whatever the testing people are there, for testing purpose, if they want to see, you can, if you want to give, you can give read access for them also, right? For example, DevOps engineer is there. Okay, for DevOps engineers, you can give read permission, write permission, view, okay, and some delete access, edit access. Okay, these are all comes under. Okay, so maybe admin can give access for this developer, tester, and DevOps engineers, whatever, right? So they will assign it. So according to these roles, okay, according to these roles only they can able to access it. Understood? So that is a purpose, that is a purpose of this option, whatever the feature is there, user management feature, this feature will be helpful for this concept. You understood? Right? Okay, for example, yeah, this is EC2 Linux machine, for example, on top of EC2, for example. Okay, in this EC2, so you might have installed Jenkins. Okay, Jenkins. Okay, This might be open with the ports, right? 8080 port something, 8080 ports, correct? So in this Jenkins, users will be there, correct? I will give the access to the users, but how can they access? In local machine, not possible. Local machine, that is for only local. But when it comes to the server, in server, whatever the users are there, they can able to access using the ports and also IP address. For example, this EC2 is there, right? EC2 IP address with whatever port are we are going to enable that port. With this, outside people, other people can able to access. You understood? For example, user is there. For example, Yeshu is user, right? And Yogesh is user. These they want to access what are the certain permissions you have given. Without permissions, he can able to see entire user infrastructure. Whatever user interface is there, that user interface, whatever permissions you have, you can able to access. You understood? How that systems, whatever systems he have. So by using IP and port, IP port. So like this, it will be connected with this, right? This is a way. Okay. So let us see how we have to create, how we have to, what are the options are there, what are the features are in this Jenkins. Let me open Jenkins. Okay. Right. Right. Yeah. This is our Jenkins dashboard. So now where is the exactly features are available? How, where we have to create the users. So let's see. So I have already shown you earlier. Okay, for user managers, so we have to click on manage Jenkins. Click here. Okay, so now you can see here manage users. So you have to see users, security, credentials, users. See, users. See here, who is a user here? He is a Lokesh Kumar is a user. Okay, but he is admin. Okay, we can create other users here. Okay, I can able to create here Yeshwant. I can able to create Yogesh, Lokesh, Vasu, somebody, etc. etc. Okay, so let me try to create user. Username Yogesh. Password Yogesh at the rate 123. Yogesh at the rate 123. Not sure this. Something I have given. Okay, so full name, right? So I'll give one email ID. So I'm going to create a user, right? And other user, I'm going s password s at the rate 123 s at the rate 123. Next to Yeshwant. I'm creating users, okay? So I'll try to create users. Users got created, right? So these are two users, correct? So now I'm going to take incognito mode, uh, new window, new incognito first. Okay, here I'll try to log in. Okay, sorry. Username, what is the username? Yogi. See this, guys? You see here, what is the name here? I need response. Guys, are you able to follow me? So what is this? Who is the user? But Yogesh is a user. He can able to see entire dashboard. Okay. Here one point you have to note. If you create a user, by default he can do anything. Okay. He as a admin. But so while I'm after creating a user, I have to give the permissions. But by default, he can do anything. He can create a job, he can delete, he can do anything. You understood? So this is what the interface. Again, I'll try to log in with the yes. Okay. Yeah. Same once again. Where is mine? Okay. Hmm. Why it is not getting new incognito tab? Local 8080. Same it's I have to log out, sorry. So yeah, I'll try to use other one. I'll take other browser. So what is username? Yogi? No, I think yes. Yes. See, guys, can you able to follow? Can you able to see here? Here I have entered as a I able to enable I able to see Jenkins dashboard as a Yeshwant, okay, as a user, okay. So if you can see here, I have opened three tabs. This is mine, Lokesh Kumar. This is Yogesh, and the other one is, see, I think here this one, yeah, Yeshwant, right? So I'm able to open Jenkins dashboard as a users also. Okay. So far users have to give access according to their role. Okay. So first we need to install one plugin. Okay. So initially you can able to now Yashwant also act as a admin. He can able to do anything. Initially default he can do anything on Jenkins dashboard, but everybody cannot enter into my environment, my atmosphere. Okay, so then what we have to do is we have to give the permissions and we have to restrict the other users. Okay, for that, so we need to install one plugin. Okay, I'll just go back to the my Jenkins dashboard. Okay, so now what I would like to do is now I just need to install plugins. Manage Jenkins. Okay, plugins. They were checking updates. Okay, that's fine. So I'm going to type here role based config global security authentication. 1 second. I think Role based authentication strategy, I think so. Role based authentication. Let me check. Wait, sorry. Rolex installed plugins. Paste available plugins. Role based authentication strategy. You guys see this? Role based authentication strategy. Just simply need to install this. Okay, just to click on this. Once after finishing this, automatically it will go to the, just simple, it will restart it and it will again ask login after finishing this plugins, right? I think network interruption. One second. It should not take this much time. Okay. DevOps Lokesh. Okay. Right. Does this really download it? Go back to the top page. Save restart. Manage Jenkins. Plugins. Role based plugins. Role based installed plugins. Role. Okay. So it got installed, right? So we got this. Okay. So now when manage Jenkins, like, oh, let's once again, let's open manage Jenkins again. Uh, Once again, manage Jenkins. So security, need to open security, configure global security. Once again, manage Jenkins. Okay, let me open this security. Authentication. It's changed, I think so. Authentication. So in this role-based login users anything next to role-based strategy. See this guys. I'm looking for the actually sometimes they are think upgrading rate always, so it is changing. Okay. See here in authentication you see role-based strategy. Select it. Okay. In authentication I'm just simply enabling guys. Don't confuse. Okay. I just have simply installed plugin, role-based authentication plugin. I'm just enabling it in the security because I just want to give the more security to my dashboard, right? Okay. So because I have users, so I have given access to them, so they can do anything, but I should not allow them because I have to give specific roles. Correct. So that is the reason I just have enabled role-based strategy. Just nothing. Just simply just need to apply and save. Come on, got it, right? So now again I okay. Now let's log in as a user. One second. Where is that? This one, right? So I'll check with Yogesh. Log out. Yogi. What is the password? I forgot. I think so. See this? Access denied. Why? Guys, please respond. Exactly. I can able to log in. Don't think wrong, okay? I can able to log in, but you don't have a permissions because admin did not give you entire permission. But I could do this. I could log in, right? Again, I'll try with Yeshwant. Log out. Yes. Okay. See this? I could successfully. I'm able to log in this, okay, but you don't have access. But earlier you could see all kind of dashboard, right? In Jenkins entire dashboard you could see. Am I right? So, so now you got denied. So now what should I do is I have to give the specific permissions to the users, which means Yogesh and Yeshwant. So I will consider, I will let you know how to give that all those things, right? So let me take this. Let me try to explain how to do. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So for example, I'll take an example. So I'm going to create one role for suppose this is he is my employee. So because I'm talking in about organization level only, so that's why I'm taking it as employee. So role is actually I'm going to create one role. Role is employee. I'm creating one role. Okay, that is called as policies type of. Okay, I'm creating one role which role name is employee. For this role, what kind of permissions will be there? So I will allow read, view, okay, and write. Got it? Okay. So this permission maybe edit will be there, maybe delete will be there. Okay, lot of options will be there. If you enable only it will apply, but permissions, lot of permissions will be there. So first to whatever role which I am creating for this role, so this is actually global role. This is global role. In this global role, if you want you can able to enable, if you don't want you can disable this. You understand, try to understand theory. The next what I'm when I'm trying to creating at that time you can understand clearly. Okay, just I'm going to take Yeshwant. I mean enough shortcut. Yes. Okay. and Yogesh. Yogesh, I'm taking your name. Don't worry. Okay, these are my two. There are two my developers. Yeshwant, I can take it as a developer. Okay, and Yogesh, I can take it as tester. Okay, so these two are my employees. Got it? I After creating this, I have already created these roles. So now first these two users I have created. These are all users. These two users I have created. After that I will create another role. The role name is employee. I will attach these role to the users. Okay, this is global role. In this global role also we do have sub options, which is read, write, view, okay, edit, delete options. These kind of options will be available for this. I hope you understood. Please respond. Right, so let us create a role. For example, one second, one second. Okay, I will complete other theory also. So this is little, I will zoom out this. Okay, fine. So next, the other thing is, so next to, so since there are employees, okay, so I have given these permissions, but some special roles will be there. Okay, so I want to create that. Okay, they don't have much access, so very often they can use it. For example, these are all frequent. Okay, so some special permissions will be there. Okay, so very often they will use that. Such kind of roles we can keep this in this kind of roles we can create. For example, I will create a developer role. Okay, I will create a developer role. I'll create a tester role. Okay, so this is actually global role. Understood? And this is other type of roles, strategy type. Okay, this name I will show you there. I'm not remembering. Okay, so this is full access, developer full access. Okay, and this is full access for tester. This is special roles, I can say. Okay, this is for example, for this developer I can keep dev related, and this is test related. Okay, job, dev related jobs. This is specially I'm going to create this roles. Okay, whenever you create a jobs related to dev, it will be applied. Whenever you create a jobs, okay, tester jobs, test jobs, if you use this name, this terms, okay, when you create related to test jobs, these roles will be applied. Okay, so then we can attach this to this. Okay, like this. Okay, so let us do, if you are not much clear, I will again, I'll show you how practically we have to do. So after that still you have doubt, lastly you can ask. Okay, let us do that. Okay, let me go into my dashboard. Okay, first what should we do is, first to go to manage Jenkins. Okay, next to security. Where is security? Yeah, it is security. Next to here, manage assign roles will be there. Authentication done already. Plugins, hooks, API tokens, not how key verifications. What is that? Where is that? Assign roles. Yes. See guys, I could not able to see nothing. This option is not available. So now what I have to do is I have to go back to dashboard. Again, I'll go to manage Jenkins. Let me go to the plugins. Let me check whether this role is available or not. Let me check roles. I'm sorry, installed plugins. In installed plugins, I want to see roles are available or not. Role based authentication strategy is available, but so role plugin is not available. So let me check. Let me install this roles plugin. Roles. Uh, 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 role available plugins installed. Manage and assign role. Plugins role. AWS credentials. What is this? Security, that will be fine, but next, it should available actually, the plugin role based authentication strategy plugin. That's fine. So once again I'll go physically, dash Jenkins, manage Jenkins, security, not once again users. Jenkins tools, assign roles. Yeah. Okay. 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 Fine. Fantastic. Okay. I could see. Okay. So now go back to dashboard. Security, manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. Security. These rules. Rule based strategy. This is fine. Mhm. Okay. Let us try again here. Go to manage Jenkins. Rules. Okay. So now see these guys, global roles are there and item roles are there. Okay, agent roles are there. These three different roles are there. Okay, I told you right. In this is global roles. Okay, this is item roles. Item wise we can able to add related to departments and all. Global related in the sense this is fine. Major role. Okay, this will be under this like this. Okay, so first global roles is the role is the major role. So in that role we can give entire view of the Jenkins dashboard for them. Okay, if you mention here that only they can able to see, otherwise no. This is related to your job, means permissions special, these are special items. Okay, item roles. Okay, now I'll create a global role first. Okay, what is a role to add? So I will try to give name role. I'll give employees. Okay, so I think add simple. Hmm, employee. After that, add employee added, right? So in this, what should I mention? See this overall. So you can see the line here. Okay, these are all different options. In between these two options you can see the line. This is overall, means overall you can able to administrator and read access. In the credentials, create, delete, manage domains, update and view. So these are all options are there. In agent, these are options are there. Okay, for job, build job, cancel job, configure job, create job, delete job, discard job, move, read and workspace. For suppose if I give you only one permission, which is create a job or read a job, you can able to just simply read whatever earlier created. Just simply read, you can't do remaining things. These are all understood. Next, run the job related to delete, replay, update, configuration. So what? Sorry, update. Till here you can get the permission. View mentions you can configure, create, delete, read, all these things. Source code management and metrics. These are all related. So I'm going to give. So I have added employees role. This is one role actually. Under employees role I will give other items. I'll tell you this later. Okay, so this is actually special. Okay, specific role. This is specific role. Okay, I'll mention here developer here. Developer pattern is something like dev. Okay, dev, dev dot star, which means whatever next extension of dev, maybe anything long big name also under. If it is start with the dev, so automatically it will comes under this role. You understood? It will comes and it will create under developers. You understood? Okay, so yeah, let me first, I need to create, just simply add this. I'll just create first. You see this developer role got created, and next I will try to give other role is tester. Tester. So I'll mention simple extension is test, something like this. Okay, add. You see here. So this is special items. I have created one global role and also these are all item roles. So just simply created, apply and save. Just created and I'll keep it aside. Understood? Okay. Now what should I do is I need to assign the roles to the users. So just now roles got created. Okay. Understood? So next to assign roles. Can you see here? Click on assign roles. You can see this view, right? Global roles. In the global roles, if you see anonymous, authentication, Lokesh. So he is actually main person. Okay. So here, what should I do is I will add users. Okay. User idea. Name. I can give name. Why it is getting like this? What is this? User not found. Maybe wrong name. Yogi, try. I'll try with Yogi. Yogesh, user Yogi. That's fine. Next to Yeshwant, what name I have given? Yes, I think that should be proper. See this? I just mentioned only username Yesh, but it is taken Yeshwant. Yogi, for Yogesh, I have given only Yogi. So this is not detected. So these are all actual users. So I'm going to consider Yogesh and Yeshwant are my employees. Which, how we got this? I have created this employee role. This is global role. Understood? Right? So I just mentioned Yogesh and Yeshwant are my employees. But Lokesh, he is main user. He have all access. That's why I'm giving admin access. Not, I'm not giving, sorry, default it got. Okay, if you want to remove, I can able to remove and I can give this role to the Yogesh. I can also do customize. That is the reason Jenkins is a framework. You understood? Who is the main person? I can also give I can also remove their permissions too. So far I'm going to keep my permissions as it is. You see here, next item rules. In this item rules, what I have to add, I have created. But if you want to detect here, that you have to mention clearly here. What is the rule I have to mention? Dev, right? Developer, I think so. Developer role. Developer role is there. Testers and developer. I'm sorry. I'm going to remove this. So tester and developer is there. Okay. Here again, I'm sorry. Here I have to use. Sorry, I have to mention Yogi, right? And here again, Yesh means Yeshwant automatically will get C, right? So I have assigned roles earlier. So I'm going to consider Yeshwant as developer and Yogesh as tester. I'm giving here, see this roles. Okay, understood? Agent leave it. Okay, simply apply and save. So now everything is fine. So this is global role, right? I have assigned to this employee role to the Yogesh and also Yeshwant, but I did not mention anything to here that Yogesh and Yeshwant could not able to access until I mentioned here. Okay. So for example, I will mention employees to read permissions. Overall administration I will remove just to read. Just simply I will apply this and also we'll check, cross check. Okay. Apply and save. Okay. So now I'm going to enter to Yeshwant. Log out. I'll try to yes. See, I just entered into yes. Earlier what happened? Access was denied, but now you see, just you can able to see, just to read access only. Guys, try to understand. This is just to read access. Okay. Item, you could not able to create the item. You could not able to create the job. That's why it was hidden. So just you have whatever it is there, just you can able to simply read. For example, I'm going to give create. See this, apply and save. I'll go and check here, refresh this. Okay, or I have to log out and log in. Yes. Okay. Yes, at the rate 123. Enter. So once again, I think I did not save this properly. Job also I'm going to give job related roles. Okay, create job. Okay, and I'll just give you simply like that. Save. Okay, I think it is saved. I hope so. So now I'll try to refresh. If not, I need to see this, guys. You got it? Item in Yeshwant account, I could able to see this. I can able to create a new item. For example, I'm going to remove this job. I'm going to create whatever the create role is there. This in employee section, whatever create role is there, that I am just removing it and apply and save. Okay, now I'll try to refresh. See this, it got hidden. It has gone. Please response. So whatever the permissions you want, I can able to add here. So these are all overall permissions. Okay, tell me. Create, I'll keep jobs. delete I keep. Okay, configure. For example, Yashwant is developer, so I should not able to allow this creator. Configure I will keep because he want to no I'll remove this too. Delete also I don't want to, so I'll keep only related to run. Okay, jobs. Okay, I'll enable this. For example, he is as a developer, he don't want to enter this later. Okay, but initially he want to configure the job, right? He want to create the job, right? Initial I'll keep create, and also that's it, create. I'll keep these three options, four options, and save. I'll try to go and refresh this. Yeshwant, in this session it is enabled. Item got created. Yes, yes, job 1. This is freestyle job. Okay. Whoops. Why? See this, guys. The page may not exit, or you may not have permissions to see it. So you don't have permissions completely. Okay. See, not have permission to see it. Overall permissions. In overall permissions, so you should mention remaining. See, in the sense whatever view options. Where is view? View, right? In this view permissions you don't have. View permissions also I will give read. C means read only, right? So I'll give apply and save this. I'll go and apply here now. I'll try to refresh. I'll go back dashboard. Again I'll try again. Freestyle job. Okay. Error. Why error? Something. It is related to here itself. Job. Configure. Cancel. Build. I'm going to give related to jobs related. Read option. Okay. Workspace related to jobs I just enabled. Okay, and again I'll save this, apply this and save this. Again I'll refresh this, continue, pay submission. Job 1 is exited. Let's see. Yeshwant, you can able to see previous all jobs. Okay, so I have enabled many things, you see, related to jobs I have enabled. Okay, so for example, if I remove this again, if I remove this, you could not see. Okay, simply job to be created, job to be deleted, job configure. Okay, job you can cancel it. And view also a read option I will give. In this agent you can give, I can give read option. Are you able to see clearly? Okay, view options I will give. Okay, credentials, for credentials also view options I have given. So overall credentials create I am just going to remove and apply and save. So there are changes. What are the changes? The changes able to see, right? You read job ish job, I'll give ish job freestyle. Okay. Oops, this may not have permissions again. So again, what permissions I have missed? Build. Okay, maybe full permission. I think employees. No, not this. Create. Anything, if I did anything wrong, let me know, guys. Okay, view, in view I'm going to keep. Where is the root read? Where is here? Here read. Okay, move also I'll enable all these things. Workspace, it's fine. In view also configure, create, delete, read. So these options I'm just keeping and save this. I'll go here and I'll resubmit it. Okay, so now it is enabled. Okay, simple job, apply and save. S job, jobs got created. See this, S job got created, right? But he couldn't. So this job I'll try to again. This job I'll try to open. Okay. So don't bother about that, guys. I enabled. That's why I could able to see Lokesh jobs. You understood? Okay. Just enabled. That's why you could see. See this, for example, Java project build. So it is building. So for suppose here in this job related configure, I'm going to remove. Okay. Build also I'm going to remove. Again I will apply and save. So now after this I will refresh this and I'll try to do configure, or no, option is not available. See this? Now you could not able to build. Build option disabled. You see here also. Right side we do have this, right? Example, I'll open my admin access. Yeah, admin access you can see, you can able to see here. See the button is there, right? This also, and also in this enable this drop down also you could not see all entire options. You can see only limited. So which I enabled in the roles, which is global role, correct? So this is how we have to create. This is how we have to create the users and give the permissions to this specific particular department, particular role. Understood? This is very important, guys. Very important. I'm telling you will get a lot of questions. Maybe it seems very easy, but you have a plenty of questions. They will ask cross questions and all in interview. Okay, with the Jenkins, so it is important to anybody. It is related to build and deploy. Okay, so you have lot of works with the Jenkins. Okay, for deploy. So that is the reason it is important concept. Maybe it seems like it little very easy, but while they are asking questions, they will try to confuse you. Do more practice continuously. Okay, right? So overall, everything we could configure it, right? We did it properly, successfully. You have seen all the permissions, how we have created all those. You have seen. Okay. So firstly, I have created. Firstly, I have installed the plugin, authentication plugin, role-based authentication plugin. Okay. After installing that, I have created roles for, sorry, I'm sorry, I have created two users. After creating the users, I just kept it aside. Okay, after that I have created global role, this one, with the name of employee, your wish, whatever. So I feel Yogesh and Yogesh and Yeshwant are my employees. That's why I have given employees name. Okay, this is a global name. With this role only I can able to control them. I can able to control their jobs. Okay, test and for example, if I create something test related to test job. Okay, for example, I'll give permissions. Okay, so with that permissions, with the, for example, test permission is there. Okay, dev permission is there. With these two roles, okay, they can able to see this whatever we have created all roles. Okay, this we will see in next class, guys. I have some work. Okay, so next class we are going to see about the slaves, like internal slaves, external slaves. While creating, we have created roles, right? So by using this by using these roles, so while we create and while we create a job, okay, like a test job, dev related jobs, how they will act. Okay, so let us continue this class in next maybe tomorrow. Okay, so I have really very much important works. Okay, let me close this class. Okay, I hope that you understood, right, guys? This is very simple, very important concept. Try to do focus on this. Okay, so you will get a lot of questions, guys. Not only this users and permissions, entire Jenkins concept is very much useful and important. So you will get questions in this, guys. I'm telling, if you do practice continuously, if you do prepare well, so you will not get any scare, you will not be panic in any kind of MNC company. It doesn't matter, MNC companies or whatever companies in front of you. Okay, if they ask the question, it doesn't matter, you'll simply answer them. I'm telling. So that is our asset. Okay, so guys, do practice continuously. Okay, next class we'll see about slaves and master nodes. Okay, we will create slaves and master nodes. So we'll try to build that master node. Okay, so slaves will, how slaves will act. Okay, and also by using this permission, whatever rules we have created, item rules, with this test and dev related item rules, we are going to see how these rules will be act in next class. Okay, so this will be continued next class. Okay, this is a part 1, you can consider. Part 2 next class we'll see. Okay, I have some work, guys. Okay, so I can't spend more time. So thank you so much, guys. Yeshwant and Yogesh, do you have any doubts on this regard? So don't ask intentionally. If you have really doubts, let me know. Right, you understood, right? To be honest, Yogesh, fine, right? I'm asking you guys because I don't want formality. If you don't understand, let me know. We'll discuss again. If I don't have time in this class, next class we will try to discuss. Okay. Okay. I hope everything clear. Yeah, fine. Fantastic. And thank you so much for joining in this class. Next class we will see. We'll discuss about remaining topics. Until then, take care. Bye bye.